In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. So I do have an example here where I turned up the gain a lot in my mic and didn't use any noise suppression filters. So my mic caught everything from my computer fan to just whatever else is in my house. So I'm going to play this clip now. So you hear that buzzing, static noise that just doesn't sound good at all? Well, we're going to be removing that using CapCut. So what I'm going to do is Control C and Control V to copy that video there. And I'm going to click on the video file. And then in the top right corner, we're going to select audio. And from here, you want to go down and select reduce noise. Now we're going to test the difference. I already have it set up on this clip here. So I'm going to go about halfway. So listen to the buzzing noise and you'll hear a lot of it disappear. So as you could hear, CapCut did a great job removing that noise static. However, I do recommend trying to avoid this situation entirely. For example, if you are using OBS, to go into the filters and use something like noise suppression just to ensure you aren't having this issue occur in the first place. But this is a great tool to use if you somehow manage to get some of that static in your recording, so I highly recommend it. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.